Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a set for Valentine's Day. We all love the love day, and there are plenty of designs. I came up with this one, pink style. I used in this design pink thermal gel, dip powder, carving gel, sweater method, rhinestones. I think that's all. I will do now the design on my left hand, something similar but not quite, and we'll see how it's looking. If you like my channel, please follow, subscribe, and check as well my TikTok account, beautifulforlove.nails. If you want to purchase any of the items in the video, you can check in the description box. There are some links there. I'm using now the thermal gel from Born Pretty. This should change in a grayish color. Though I'm not sure if I did the test for the cold color. A little bit my camera was shaking, but please excuse. I used only one coat. It was a little bit sheer, so I need to use a second coat. This solid cream gel from Modelones are amazing. You can see a video. I made also unboxing Modelones, and I did some other manicures with this solid cream gel, and it's just spreading so nice, so smoothly. With this brush that is also from Modelones, is very easy. I think I exit the camera a little bit, so excuse me. Now I'm using the second coat from gel polish and the second coat from solid cream gel. Now the second coat every time is your choice. You want to have a sheer look, or you want to have a more pigmented look. Some of gel polishes, they require only one coat, very few of them, and depending as well on the color that you are choosing. If you are changing the color, one thing I want to say, I think I keep repeating it in all my videos. If you are changing the color with from solid cream gel, don't use the same brush. It will mix the colors, and you will have, after 3-4 times usage, you will have an ombre in your palette solid cream gel. Each time I was curing it for 30 seconds. I didn't show you in live, but I cured it for 30 seconds. They are looking very nice like this with glossy look, but I want to make them matte. So I'm using a matte coat. This is from M-Share. I got it from AliExpress, and it's very nice. The matte top coat, I'm curing it for 60 seconds under LED. But look how nice is looking glossy. Glossy is looking nice, yes. I like these colors. This combination is nice. Pink with lavender. This is the matte look. And I really like also this color. And this type, sorry. Yes. What do we think about matte nails and glossy nails? Leave a comment down below if you want. I'm using the painting gel from Born Pretty. The white one is pigmented, is not thick, not too thick, not too runny. It is the perfect thickness. I'm trying to make a heart. It's my first time doing hearts. I mean, is anyone also facing the same issue with drawing on their hands? It's something really difficult. And sometimes I've noticed that I can draw with my right hand on the left hand. Sometimes I cannot. I don't know, maybe it's depending on day, depending on mood, depending on, it's not only depending on products that I'm using. I can use the same product and I still cannot draw. Anyway, I don't do too much drawings in my videos, as you can see, but I'm trying to, I'm learning, and I want to expand my horizon. So I did a heart. Here I'm trying to shape it. It's not bad. For first heart, it is not bad. I think so. At this point, you can cure it, and after that add more gel, but I didn't cure it. So for you, it's better to cure each. I mean, this is the advice. It's better to cure each straw, each line, each stroke, each whatever you have to cure it, and go forward with these drawings. But I didn't follow these instructions, and I will follow them at some point when I make something more complicated. I cure for 30 seconds, but I want to add a little bit of sparkle. So I'm using a dip powder from Born Pretty, is with some glitter in it, silver glitter, a little bit. You can see there is something. So I'm just mixing it because it was not used for some time. I just mix it, the glitter, to be more obvious. I place it on the painting that I did without curing it. Now I'm going to cure it. So now you understand why I didn't cure the heart first, because I wanted to do the full design with dip powder on top of it. And I'm creating now another small heart inside a big heart. This way of doing hearts is very easy. Very easy, just two dots and you connect each other. The brush that I'm using, this brush I bought it from Shein, and it's a really good one. It is really a good one. And now I want to do another dip powder. This one is the carving. This dip powder is 3-in-1. You can use it for carving, for dip powder, or as acrylic with monomer. I just place it on top of the mini heart and cure it under LED lamp for 30 seconds. And now I'm using the liner, but it didn't. I wanted to use the art gel, the pen gel, but no, it wasn't working. I mean, it wasn't in this design. I have to use it another time, okay? Let's not complicate too much things. I'm using the 4-in-1 top coat from M-Share. This 4-in-1 is used for rhinestone as well. So I'm placing a generous amount because, as you can see, this 3D rhinestone is quite big. So it needs a lot of gel to stay until your next manicure. These rhinestones, I bought them from Shein. I'm sorry, my camera was too blurry because I was staying too close, so I need to film it from a bigger angle, but I will do it next time. I'm using some rhinestones. This I also bought them from Shein, and they are like purplish type, purple pink, something like this, lavender type color, not type. I'm doing another heart on pointer. It's very easy to do these hearts. I believe you see all these videos on TikTok if you are following, or maybe Instagram as well. for Valentine's Day, creating these hearts. Very easy. But one thing I want to tell you, it's better to do these hearts with painting gel than with gel polish. Gel polish is more running. So it might not have the same pigment first, and it might not stay wherever you are putting it. It may run left and right and down and just make a mess. As you can see with this heart, I a little bit struggle. I think the drawing period is over. I mean, don't extend it too much. You did one heart good today, you did 2, 3, but don't go to the 4th one. I cure it. And now I'm adding a little bit more white on this heart because I want to use the dip powder. I want to make it a little bit more silverish. So I'm adding some spots, some these are just the spots, like spots. Okay, I don't add the dip powder. I'm adding the gel. I forgot. This is the solid cream gel from Born Pretty, and this one is with glitter inside. I'm using it on one heart only. I just want to give some there. What I did before, sorry, I realized now what I did before on that heart, I was using the top coat. So I had to top coat with glossy each dot or each heart to top it with to top it off with glossy coat. When I'm happy with the result, I will cure it for 30 seconds, and again now you can see I am just adding some top coat. And I think I didn't do this in last step. I was using the white, you are right. Now I'm top coating. You can make it a little bit more bulky. It is fine. It will have like a 3D effect. It'll look fine. And I really like how is looking this. I really like. I like this set a lot. It's looking like Valentine's Day. Is summery, is hot, kind, pinkish, and very girlish. Yes, it's nice. When I finish with this top coat, hopefully this century, I will cure it for 60 seconds. And I think now I'm happy with the look. I just have to take my gloves off. So to show you the final look. And I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you are doing also your Valentine's nail set. Maybe you are using some hearts or some other colors, and look my hand without gloves. Now this is the final look. I'm so happy for it. For the thumb, you'll see it on TikTok. Yes, I really like it. If you want to see more videos like this, just give a like, give a thumbs up, same thing, comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. I'm posting regularly on YouTube, on TikTok, so you can find me as well there, on Pinterest, on Instagram. And if you want to purchase any of the products used in this video, the link is in the description below. By ordering through my link, I will receive a commission. So I would appreciate it if you want to do so. Thank you, and I wish you a nice day and happy Valentine's Day. Happy Love Day. Thank you. Bye bye.